All right.
Now you shoot these like that, right?
I hope so.
Nah, me too.
Come this way.
Cameron!
I'm sorry.
Daddy!
Well, they don't tell you how to do it.
That was my leg.
You okay?
Well, we'll see later. It's baby. Ben, it's okay,
You all right,
honey.
Ben?
It's okay.
It's all right.
That's why you don't play with fire, right, boys?
Yeah,
Is it dangerous?
yeah, you play fire for life.
I tried.
We gotta shoot.
What did it
I
do?
read it several times, and it says point away from people. Well, what end do you point away?
Hey, crazy daddy.
Hey, put it to the tree.
Was
Alright.
that fun, boys?
This will be better. I promise.
Mama,
Micah, come back, honey.
Here we go. This will be better, Dad.
It's okay. This one's gonna go up there, okay?
This one's gonna go in
It's all right, Ben. Oh.
my toe.
No, it's not gonna burn your toes. It only burns mommy's toes.
Here we go.
Okay, ready?
Now we can watch it up in the sky, all the pretty
What?
colors.
Woo!
Wow.